ENT doctor suicide. This is from another ENT doctor, a resident. Hey, I'm so sorry about your patient, that sucks. I'm very thankful that we have you as an excellent otolaryngologist to learn from. You take care of so many sick patients and do a marvelous job educating us how to do it safely, skillfully, and compassionately well. Thank you for that. So here's the text that prevented my suicide. This, like, you know how easy it is to send a text? That you don't even have to pick out a Hallmark card. This one text actually saved an ENT doctor's life. I mean, the one thing I'm going to leave you with, if you could just get in the habit of texting appreciation to one another, you will create a culture of wellness that will have ripple effects to no end.